So, welcome you all guys to Debugging Doubts. In today's topic, let us understand why and how to use these two operators. First one is colon operator, which is present here, and the second one is the equals operator, which is present here. This is not a normal equal operator, this is something kind of different equal operator which is present here. So, let us first discuss about colon operator. Suppose I had two equations, something think like two calculation. Okay, 2 plus 8 equals is what, and 10 into 15 equals what. I know that these are very basic examples which you can do by your mind, but I'm just showing you how to use the operator. So for that I'll plug on, and now if I want to do, I can do by each one equation at a time. But using this operator, I'll show 2 plus 8. Then I press alpha and select the colon operator. Okay. Then I write second equation, that is 10 into 15. Okay. So what I am doing here is I am writing two equations and I am pressing equals. Then I get answer for the first equation, that is 2 plus 8 is 10. And when I press equals for the second time, I am getting answer for the second equation, that is 10 into 15 is 150. So I keep on pressing and you see it gets the same answer. So this is how you can save time. Here it looks very silly, but in the coming part of the video you will be amazed by seeing the magical performance of this. So I have explained how to solve a Gauss-Seidel method, very shortcut trick in this video. So you can click on the link where I am pointing and watch it. Now come to the second operator, equals. So what it does? So I press AC. Suppose I have equation such as I need to have a value is equal to 5 and a is equal to a plus 5. Okay, something kind of this equation I have, and I need to run this equation multiple times. Somewhat just think that a is incremented by 5. Okay, so whatever it does is I press alpha a and alpha equals. Here I put equals and then write alpha a plus 5. Getting? So I have input a equation. Now I'll not press equals, I'll press calc. Then it will ask me a value. Suppose a initial value, let it be something 0. Okay, so I'll press 0 and then press equals. Then I get a value as 5. Then I press equals. Again it will have a value 5. So it will become 10. Then press equals. Now a value is 10. So it will become 15. So every time the a value is getting incremented by 5 and saved it into a value itself. So this is how you can use this equal operator, and these two operators are very important in the coming topic. Please guys, you can watch the video. And this was all for today, and if you like my videos, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you guys for supporting me, and keep supporting for more shortcut tricks. Thank you.